and welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get to have all your latest gadgets information. And today we are going to talk about Lenovo's Yoga 700 out here. Yes, talking about Lenovo 700, we can say it was a very interesting variant. Yoga series है तो definitely there are a few specifications, few features out there which we see in the entire Yoga series. Definitely, we have seen rotational things out there. We have seen flip designs. We have seen an amazing operating system out there, along with great storage, great connectivity. Everything was quite amazing in Yoga series. Now, talking about Yoga 700, let us talk about this variant and the main specific features, or we can say main specified versions, or the highlights of these gadgets. Specifically, talking about 700, then the first specified or the specific highlight or specification feature would be the operating system. Yes, you will get to have an operating system of Windows 10, which is definitely great out here, along with Intel 6th generation Core i7 processor and a multi-way use your Yoga guide. What does this mean? That clearly means that it's a rotational one, so you can use it as your normal tablet, your laptop, your normal watch movies with a slight inclined way. Another specified or the highlight of this variant is the design. It has got a thick and a light design with a solid state drive, that is the SSD storage out there. Very amazing, vibrant HD, full HD resolution display out there, backlight, accurate uh, keyboard, along with a swipes out of very quick outputs out there. These kind of things could be seen out in this variant. So talking about the first and the specified highlight, that is the operating system. It uses a great operating system, that is Windows operating system out here. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant has got a very good screen size of approximately 14 inches. Diagonally, if we talk about this variant, then it has got a 14-inch screen size. Talking about this variant, then we can say that Windows 10 Home Edition is being used out in this. Yes, we talk about edition which is being used. 64 bytes edition, but Home Edition Windows 10 is being used out here. Along with that, you get to see that it has a processing system. The processing system used out in this variant is uh, up to 6th generation processing. Like you can have other variants also, but yes, up to 6th generation processing system is there, which is i7 processor out used. So that is quite good variation out there. Along with that, it has got a good graphical point. Talking about the graphics, because graphics plays a very important role in every gadget. And talking about that graphical point, then we can say that graphics used out in this is an HD graphic, integrated Intel HD graphics used out, or you can have the up to Nivid GeForce graphics out. Now, these are two different variants which might be used depending upon the variability which is being used out here. So you get to have two different variants. Whereas talking about the memory, because we already read that it has got very amazing storage, SSD storage out here. So what about the RAM quality? What about the RAM storage? RAM is also quite good, which is up to 8 GB RAM in the form of DDR3L. So we can say that it might be offering a good memory speed or the rated memory speed out along with this, because up to 8 GB storage is really good variant. Along with that, if you have got a very good storage, SSD storage, which we were talking, like the hard drive storage, this is not in the form of HDD. It is SSD storage form, which is up to 256 GB. Like this can also be seen up to 256 GB are seen out here. Along with that, you also get to see that the graphical part is very good, offering you HD graphics out there. So what about the camera integrated with it? Yes, because graphics is not just the one thing which plays role. It plays along with the webcam, so it offers you approximately 1 megapixel webcam out here, which is integrated in this. So we can say that it has got a very good stereo type speakers. It has got a very good functional output. It has got amazing Windows operating. It has got a very good RAM quality. storage quality, good spindle fiber, rotational fibers out there. Talking about the webcam, a very amazing webcam could be seen out on this variant, or very good stereotype speakers. Like talking about the audio type, what kind of audio type? This is so interesting to say that it offers you stereotype speakers with Dolby Vision out there. So this is really good. Along with it has also got home theater certification. Yes, it has got home theater certification along with it. So talking about these things, we can say that this variant is quite good out here, offering a great specification. Like home theater certification, if it has got this, then we can say that the video output involved in this is really good. That is very amazing out here. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then it has got a battery life which is offering you approximately 7 hours work timing. So the run time is approximately up to 7 hours. Along with that, full HD display is there along with IPS technology display. So these two things could be seen out with a 14-inch screen size. So 14-inch screen size, full HD display, IPS technology, great vision out there. So this is really good output in this variant. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that it offers you great range of we can say weight. Like weight की बात करें तो we have seen earlier variants, they were very light weighted, and it is said to be very light weighted, but is slightly, we can say, not very lightweight as compared to that, because we have seen Yoga 500, which was just previous release for this, was weighing approximately 1.8 kgs, and this weighs approximately 1.6 kgs. So a very slight difference in the weight. But definitely we can say it's slight, because as compared to that, there is a difference in zero point 0.2 grams. It is very thin designed out here, sleeky design variant out here, offering you non-Intel and Intel processing along with Wi-Fi connectivity. If we talk about the non-Intel Wi-Fi connectivity and Intel Wi-Fi connectivity, both the iterations would be seen out here. So overall connectivity has got a abundance, connectivity has got variety out there, along with the connectors of USB 2 type, USB 3 type, power connectors or input output jack, card reader connectors out there. So these can be seen out in this variant. Apart from that, if you talk about the preloaded softwares in this, then you get to have a few preloaded apps or softwares of one key recovery along with comparison 3, photo masters, share it, which might not be possible now, but yes, definitely it was earlier back then released out with the company. Reach it, live save. So these were the inbuilt softwares in this variant. A few might not be now, as it is, so some variant might not be available, but yes, mostly are available out there. So talking about this variant, let us visit a site which offers you great pricing for this. Yes, talking about the pricing and site, let us visit that. This is the site justatclick.com. Justatclick.com offers you great range of products, great range of gadgets out here in your pocketable rates, pocket-friendly rates out. Actually, very important is that you get to have your favorite gadgets in very pocketable rate. Apart from that, you also get to have your gadgets which can be customized. You can customize your weight depending upon the storage, depending upon the RAM quality, battery type, or the processing. Like these kind of, which all things can be customized, are allowed in this website. So talking about this variant, let us search this variant, and the search I can help you to search your favorite gadget in a very limited format. Like all you have to do is type about your gadget and you get to have that. So this is the result out here, offering you Yoga 5, Yoga 700 out here with the different hybridization, a small description box in the end, as well as it is customizable. Yes, you can customize your product out here. Along with that, there is a condition written at the top and in the mid, that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition also. Talking about the refurbished products or refurbished brand out here, we can say that refurbished and brand new products, they are quite similar. As well as when we talk about refurbished word itself, then we can say that refurbished word means creating something newly like again. So this is what all refurbished means. And when we say about refurbished or brand new, then the structurality, functionalities, as well as the tests are actually same out here. You will not find any difference out there in the structural, that is the design out here. As well as talking about these variants, then we can say the internal functions are actually same. They are quite same, like whatever the company has stated, they are actually providing you the same things. The major difference lies out in the ownership out there. Yes, the ownership has a difference in the role play out here. Talking about the ownership, brand new gadgets are actually untouched. They are from the company itself, direct release from the company. Whereas refurbished products are the ones pre-owned gadgets. These are called the pre-owned gadgets out here. So talking about these gadgets, let us see the pathway which involves how this is pre-owned. Talking about the pathway that follows a common pathway, that is the base, mediator, and the consumer. This is the pathway followed out. And we can say that refurbished pathway is the extension of brand new. We can say that. Talking about the brand new pathway, we can say brand new involves the base, which is the company from where the product is being released in the market out here. So this is called as base. Marketplace is nothing else but the, you can say, bridge out here between the user and the consumer. Yes, this could be said out as this way. Yes, the marketplace is this, whereas the bridge is between company and user, because this has to be somewhere where we can collect and company can sell out. After that, it comes to the user. Yes, now the product is with the user out here. Now user has the power, the product in hand. So this is what refurb branding is all about. This dominates the product out here. Now the gadget is pre-owned. The gadget or the brand or the model, everything is with the user. Now this user becomes the base for refurbished products, because that is pre-owned gadget out here. That product is with the person itself and wants to resell off. Yes, want to resell. Then it is brought back to the marketplace. It is brought back to the mediators. It is brought back in the sites out here, which it can be resold. Yes, or we can resell it. It can be resold out there. Everything could be done. मतलब उस प्रोडक्ट को हम दोबारा से मार्केट में लेकर आते हैं. Now it is brought in the market and is being resold to the new user under the category of refurbished. Yes, this is a new category called refurbished, and this is what refurbished is all about. Now another difference lies out here is the testing testing, we can say timing. Now what happens is a company, before bringing into the marketplace, tests it. Yes, it is being tested out here. The product is being verified. Everything is being done. Now what happens is, uh, in refurbished products, the product is being tested in the website or the marketplace itself before reselling it. Yes, before it is brought for reselling, it is to be tested in the marketplace. So this is the major difference out here. Now talking about the tests out there, then we can say that there are the same tests which are involved in brand new, whether it is external or internal parameters involving. Like the external involves the display out here, the camera, the buttons out there, the touchpad, the connectors out there, the scratches, everything has to be seen. The display type out there, recording out there, everything has to be checked. Now, externally, जो हम check कर सकते हैं without the use of any equipment or any specified gadget, it has to be checked. Once it is checked out, then it is brought back to the internal parameters. Yes, now external is cleared out. It is given a certificate for external parameters. It is brought to the internal parameters, which are checked out. And once it is checked out, then you get to see that external parameters to the internal standard. There are various internal components out there, like the processing system, GPU, CPU out there, cache memory, RAM, storage type out there, connectivity, battery life, battery backup out there, internal processing, spindle fibers out, spindle rotation out there, uh, rotational speed, the speed out for the RAM out there. Everything has to be checked. Internal connectivities, internal parameters has to be checked. Now, these internal parameters require a specified, we can say, gadget or specified testing tools, softwares out there. So they are used in these parameters. Once they have been tested, they are brought back to the site with a certification called refurbished or brand certified refurbished. These brand new products are only refurbished products, yes. So we can clearly say that once or always a refurbished product is once a brand new. Yes, once a brand new product can be considered as a refurbished after pre-ionization. So this is what happens out. Now talking about these tests, structure is same, design is same, everything is same out there. So what are the benefits or why it is there, why the two different categories? Talking about these categories, then refurbished products offer you a great benefits out here over brand new. Number one is the rates. Yes, profitable rates. Usually what happens that brand new products are quite expensive out there. They are slightly expensive, we can say, once they're released. Whereas the refurbished products are less expensive, we can say, or they are quite pocketable. We can say that they are quite pocketable rates. They are not very expensive out here so that we need to spend a lot of money on them. They are slightly less expensive. Now, since their ratings differ, their pricing differ, so you get to save a lot of money. Yes, you can save a lot of money out here. So this is another point that you get to save a great savings. Apart from that, we already know that brand new products offers you a 1 year warranty period. Yes, you get to have a warranty period, but once a pre-owned phone is brought by us, then we usually don't get warranty period. But if you have a condition written on it that is refurbished or certified refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty period. Yes, this is what you get to have, 6 months warranty period along with 7 day exchange policy, 7 days exchange policy. That is a week exchange policy also you get to have. So these are the benefits of having a refurbished product over a brand new product. And talking about these benefits, let us see this site offers you same benefits or not. Yes, the site named justatclick.com offers you great benefits, great gadgets, a pocketable friendly rates. We can say pocket friendly rates are there. Delivery time is quite good. COD is available out here. Yes, justatclick.com offers you COD. You get to have hassle-free shopping, free shipping out there, as well as shipping timing is also great out here. It offers you 48-hour shipping timing in most parts of UAE, whereas Saudi it might take up to a week, and it might differ upon the timing and the process out there. As well as this site offers you something very amazing, that it offers you customization option also. Yes, what does this customization means? That every gadget has got a different structurality, different internal components. There might be difference in the we can say RAM storage or the normal storage capacity, the Intel processing out there. So there are difference in there. So you can customize your gadget according to your requirement. All that you can do with the helpline number. And if you want to customize also, you can let us know by your order placement. So this site's link has been given in the description, so you can check it out. As well as I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.